What does a typical trading day look like for me? Well, today I'm going to take you on a journey and share with you all the trades I'm taking and everything that I'm doing in the day, typical trading day. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 509. I want to share with you today a typical trading day. So first of all, I've just got up in the morning, had a look at my charts here and seen some green lights, which is always a bonus. I'm going to try and turn my camera around. So if you're listening on the podcast, I apologize. This is going to be a little bit kind of bitty, but I'm going to use this. So if you're watching on YouTube or my website on the video, you're going to get a lot better experience on today's video. So it's now 7:30. Today's Thursday, the 13th of July, 2023. I've just woken up and a US Swedish krona trade that I took on Monday has just hit the profit on the 6-hour chart. I'm going to turn the camera around shortly and show you that trade. And also I took 4 trades last night my time on the 12-hour charts at the 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time changeover, and all 4 of those trades are in right now and they're looking really good and in some profit. So let me turn the camera around and I'll share those with you right now. Okay, so I hope you can see that on my forum site I posted a trade here on the US Swedish krona on Monday, and the trade's now gone and hit the profit. You can see down the bottom there, you can see the trade has hit the profit target nicely, and that happened earlier this morning. Great thing was I wasn't even watching the charts when that happened. Okay, we're now onto the 12-hour charts. This is the US Singapore dollar, which if you have a look, hopefully it focuses. There we go, down there. You can see the trades. Where are we? In the corner there, I've got the Pound Australian, the US Chinese, US Singapore, and the US South African. And if I can turn my camera around, you can see in here right now, those trades all going very nicely. They were taken on the 12-hour charts, 4 of them. They were mentioned on our forum site, and again, it's the power of the forum site that we have here. There's the US Chinese going really well. So 4 trades on there, US South African here, and you can see those trades in there. Great retracements, 2 buy trades in there, and the last one was the Pound Australian, which I will scroll across to and find for you. That is in here, and there's the Pound Australian. So that's a quick summary of the trades that I've got open and have taken overnight my time. Next thing I'm going to do in about an hour and a bit from now, I'm going to start scanning through the daily charts, which will be the 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time, close of day charts. It takes me about 10, maybe 15 minutes to scan through those charts and see what trades I'm taking for today on the daily charts. I'll also look through the 12, 8 and 6-hour charts. So I'll come back to you shortly. Okay, got a bit of an update for you. I've just taken 4 trades based off the daily charts, and also I need to let you know that today is Thursday the 6th of July. I think at the beginning of the session I said it was the 13th. I'm a week ahead of myself. It's actually Thursday the 6th of July 2023 today. So I've just taken 4 trades based off the daily charts. I've just taken them here now live. It literally took me 10 minutes to scan through all the daily charts today, and then about another 5 minutes I went through the 12-hour, the 8-hour and the 6-hour charts as well. I've taken the 4 trades based off the daily charts. I put them on our membership site and placed them here on my live account behind me. I have taken a buy trade on the Pound Australian, a sell trade on the Australian US dollar, a sell trade on gold US dollar, and a buy trade on the US Singapore dollar. They've been placed behind me here, all with a 0.5% risk. So in other words, a total of 2% risk on my account if all 4 trades get filled and if all 4 get stopped out. Maximum I can lose is 2%. But the trades have around about between a 2 and a 3 to 1 reward to risk. So a very good upside potential. I'm now going to do absolutely no looking at my charts whatsoever until later tonight my time. I'm holding a live webinar for my clients, 7 to 9 p.m. my time. That's 3 to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because it's a European session webinar. And I'll come back to you at the end of that webinar, and I'll see what trades we've taken during that live webinar with my clients. And at the changeover at the 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll be looking through the 1 hour, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 6, and the 12-hour charts. So I'm hoping on that session, on that live webinar later tonight, my time with my clients, we'll get several trades, and I'll update you. Come back here once we've finished that session. So no more trading for me now for the whole rest of the day. It frees me up to go and do what I want today. I'll talk to you later. Okay, so just finished my live 2-hour webinar with my clients, which we hold each week, 1 week in the European session, the following week in the US session. This was a European session webinar. Had some really successful trades. The US South African Rand 12-hour chart trade that I showed you earlier has now just hit the profit target. And on the webinar live, I've taken a Euro US 1 hour, a Euro Yen 1 hour chart trade, a sell trade on the US Thai Baht, quite an unusual pair on the 3-hour chart, and we've just taken a buy trade on Ethereum on the 12-hour as well. I'm just going to turn the camera around now and show you that US South African Rand trade. Okay, so you can see the US South African Rand there, and you can see that they have hit the profit target. And there is the trade, so it went really well. And we've got as mentioned, the Euro Yen going along nicely on the 1 hour chart. And I've also taken the Ethereum trade on a 12-hour chart. Let's see how those go, and I'll update you tomorrow morning my time. Hey there, back again. It's now Friday morning here in New Zealand, and we had a fantastic webinar yesterday. And nice to see also the US Singapore dollar trade that I shared with you yesterday on a 12-hour chart. One of those trades was stopped out, the other one hit the profit for about a 3-to-1 reward to risk. And today being Friday, I've just taken 4 daily chart trades today. And I've taken a sell trade on the silver against the euro. I've taken a sell trade on the New Zealand Swiss franc. I've taken a buy trade on the euro New Zealand, and I've taken a buy trade on the euro Singapore dollar. So a couple sort of more minor pairs there again today, just the way that the market is. So it is also Friday, or later today, it's Friday, US time, their monthly non-farm payroll or non-farm employment change, as it's called these days, jobs announcement, monthly jobs news. So I'll be looking at closing out most of my trades prior to that. I'll keep the weeklies and monthlies open, but everything else I'll be closing prior to that. So I hope that gives you a really good understanding of how we trade. I've just traded, 10 minutes this morning, 10 minutes yesterday, and a little bit longer on the webinar, but if it wasn't for the webinar, it would have been about 10-15 minutes last night. And that's my trading day as a full-time trader. That's all you need to do to be able to trade properly. The mindset that people have, they think they have to trade all the time, staring at the charts all day long, is completely incorrect. I've just taken those 4 trades yesterday on the dailies, a few at the 5 a.m. changeover, and again today 4 on the dailies again, and that's my trading done for the week. So I hope you've enjoyed this bit of an insight of how we trade, and any questions you have, please let me know. I'll see you this time next week. This is Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach. Bye for now.